The ultimate 30-day challenge to transform your life. Do you want to completely transform your life in just 30 days? In this video, I'll share a powerful challenge that combines proven strategies to improve your habits, health, and finances all in one plan. Watch till the end for actionable steps and a special tip to ensure this challenge works for everyone. Meet Adam, a student who used to waste his mornings on social media. By creating a morning routine, he drastically improved his focus and grades. 2. Write your goals. Set 3 achievable goals every day to maintain clarity and motivation. Week 2. Financial Growth Week. 6. Track expenses. Use free apps like Mint to understand where your money is going and cut unnecessary expenses. Sarah saved $200 in 1 month simply by canceling subscriptions she didn't use. 7. Start a side hustle. Explore freelancing, online tutoring, or selling digital products. 8. Learn a new skill. Week 3. Mental growth and clarity. 11. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every morning. Emma transformed her negative thinking into positivity by practicing gratitude daily. 12. Visualize your goals. Week 4. Strengthening relationships and health. 16. Drink enough water. Aim for at least 2 liters of water daily to stay hydrated. 17. Exercise regularly. Even 15-minute home workouts can significantly improve your health. 18. Reconnect with loved ones. Call a friend or family member you haven't spoken to in a while. Final stretch. Mastering the challenge. 21. Take on a big goal. Push your limits by setting a significant weekly goal, like completing a passion project. 22. Teach what you learn. Share your knowledge with others to solidify your understanding. Friends, this 30-day challenge is your roadmap to a better, more fulfilling life. Which of these tips resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more transformative content. Also, I'd love to hear your suggestions for my next video.